Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be kind of a short video because we're grinding stumps today, and I'm not going to make you guys sit through watching me grind stumps for a half hour. So we'll get some cool shots, we'll get some time lapse. I'll give you a little in-cab footage, but for the most part, we're just going to be grinding stumps. I'm assuming we're going to be out of here by probably noon, 1 o'clock at the latest. We do have a guest operator today. Our same one from a few weeks ago. There's Devin. He's over there enjoying himself a nice snack while Mr. Rick cuts down some stumps for us. But yeah, that is what we're doing. So there's really not anything else to say. Literally, this is a very straightforward job. We're going to be here till 1 grinding stumps. So as always, we'll catch you guys here in the cab of the machine with Devin Michael in my lap. We'll see you guys in a bit. Let's go grind some stumps. Whoop, there's a stump right there. That's what I'm trying to avoid doing, is running over stumps. All right. Sit back, kiddo, so I can see, okay? All right, let's start working our way this way. We're done. So just so you guys following along at home, the goal is get all the stumps taken care of, and then we will throw on the bucket and we're going to come grade this whole area out. Just a super rough grade. We're not doing anything fancy today. And the guy eventually wants to put a pole barn in here, so we'll come do real grading later. So it knows when you have the door shut. Okay, I think that one's done. All right. Are you waving at the camera? To these controls. stump grinder attachment. It's pretty impressive. There's a little bit of a learning curve, not only in the grinding of the stumps, but also the controls. Technique here is I'm trying to go down about, I don't know, a couple inches at a time and sweep back and forth without overloading the hydraulics. And then what I'll do is I'll scoot forward just a hair and we'll do the same thing to try to get the root ball. Turn our radio off though, or YouTube will get mad at us because they don't like it when I use music I didn't pay for. Alright everybody, we are officially done grinding stumps, and what are we doing now, Devin?
We are grading.
We're grading. So we're going to take our bucket back here and we're just, we're just knocking the tops off everything. We're going to get some of these bigger logs out of here for the guy. Nothing super fancy or specific. It's really just not leaving him with a bunch of holes in his yard. What's that, kiddo?
I like it better at the bucket because I like just clearing the space out.
Yeah.
So we get all the dirt out around here.
We're going to basically flatten the dirt that we just stirred up with our stump grinder.
This is bumpy.
Yep, it's going to be bumpy until we get her graded out. Of his yard. log in a way that it was going to tip off first before the dirt cut free. Flat for him. Some of the brush. By the way, guys, the strategy here is just kind of go around, knock the tops off everything. We're not going for any sort of real grade. We're just kind of smoothing. So I'm just kind of going around and using my full blade. If you use a full blade, it gives you a little weight, so you have a little more of a dozer type effect on the ground. And so I'm just kind of dozing into the low areas and then back dragging, and that'll kind of level everything. And that's how you're able to do this pretty efficiently, quickly, and it ends up looking pretty nice for, you know, a 20-minute grade. Yeah, away from you. The way I remember it is if you... No, away. Away. Yep. Curl. Yep. Go ahead and curl your bucket a little. Curl. There. There's nothing behind you. You're good. They're good. He's over here. We're gonna pick up more logs. Here you go. Here's the next ones we'll pick up.
I think I can pick this one up.
Woo, look at you. There you go. What's the matter? That's okay. They'll only bite you if you mess with them.
That was a long daddy spider. Long legs, daddy spider.
Oh, daddy long legs won't hurt you.
I don't. Where did he go? Ah, there's another spider. They like it.
Just come over here. These, and then this. You ready? He's busy exploring their stuff. All right, come over here. Yeah, we're gonna have to get Mom to lower her bucket down. There you go. So tell her what to do. There. A little bit. Okay. There you go. Push. Okay. Push. Woo. You gotta do muscles. Can you do muscles? You're being safe. We're good. If you stay by me, you'll be just fine. Tell her you gotta come over. Can you get that one? Ooh, look at you. Oh, that's a heavy one. Ah, woo. All right, let's go to this one over here. Oh, there's a good one. We don't trust Mom yet. There's one. Good throw, good throw. Here she comes. We'll get her a little closer, it's okay. All right, we got a couple more back here, kiddo. You think you can get that one? See that one right here? Can you get that one? That's okay. We do not trust Mom, do we? You're scared of Mom? All right, guys, it's the end of the day. We are finally wrapped up. So Devin, tell them what we did today.
Doing logs and then grading out.
Yep.
And cutting stumps.
Yep, we ground stumps up. We carried logs and put them in the bucket. Who drove the skid steer for that?
I did.
You did. Well, who drove it when we put logs in the bucket?
Dad did.
No, who? Mom. Mom, yeah. Mom came out and helped out. Jack, our brother, came out and helped out for a little bit. So yeah, we're here at the end of the day and everything looks pretty dang good. So here is the lot. I'm sorry that that was so dark for everyone. But here's the lot. It is night and day from what we started with, that's for sure. Let me back up here so you can really appreciate it. So we got them all ground out. All the stumps are gone. It's graded out really nice. The homeowner's happy with it, so I'm happy with it. So are you happy with it? Okay. So what do we need to say? Thanks for following along and see you next time.
See you next time.
We'll see you guys next time.
And
And what?
And
Slam the subscribe button? Yeah, slam that subscribe button. We'll catch you guys on the next video. See you guys.